Ayushi and welcome to my YouTube channel. So in my today's video, I am going to talk about Shein. So this bodycon dress is also from Shein. It's actually a dress. So if you want, you can click the link in my description box. Please don't check it, you won't find it down there because Shein is now banned in India, and along with Shein there are some other apps too which have been banned, but I'm mostly affected by Shein. So I'm wearing this today for nostalgia, and as you guys know, I used to love shopping from Shein. I had some haul videos of Shein. I don't know what's the purpose of them anymore. So there's no point in crying over what's gone, and everything happens for a reason, and what's done was necessary to be done. And I think that it hopefully will help our Indian economy to flourish more. Anyways, if you guys are like me and you also enjoyed shopping from Shein, firstly because you used to get so many trendy things from there, and not only that, it was really cheap and you used to get so many fashionable items at such cheap prices. So today I have 5 to 6 apps for you guys. So the first app that I have for you guys is Lulu and Sky. So if you enjoyed and loved shopping from Shein, then this is the best alternative. This is similar to Shein. There are so many trendy pieces. You will find so many trendy pieces, and I mean so many. Like even if you write denim skirt, you are going to get so many varieties, and they have it in so many different colors and patterns, and you will just fall in love with this app. Just give it one try. I am sure you will fall in love with it. Just like Shein, it's really cheap. You will get so many affordable things at 300, 200, and they are really eye-catching and very trendy. So just give this app a try. They have so many varieties for everything and anything, and there are shoes as well and some accessories. So I am sure you will fall in love with this app. So just give it a try and then let me know in the comments if you really liked it or not. The second app that I have for you is Urbanic, and if you used to like Club Factory, then this is the app for you. Again, it has many cheap and affordable things. Like there are also some trendy pieces, not as trendy as Lulu and Sky or like Shein, but like if you really enjoyed shopping from Club Factory, then this is the best alternative for you. They also have 2 set pieces in a really affordable prices, and there is nightwear, gown wear, and there are so many options. So again, I think you would really enjoy shopping from this app. The next two app that I have for you guys are Ajio and Coop. So people usually think that they are on the costlier side because they are. But if you want to build a wardrobe full of essentials and staple pieces like a good denim or a good black t-shirt or a white shirt, then those two apps are really going to help you build the foundation of your wardrobe. And they have such nice materialed clothes, and I have seen that they have some nice pieces. Like whenever I am wearing denim, it can be denim, but it needs to have some flavor or some different touch to it so that I get excited when I wear it. And they have some nice pattern clothes there which are not boring, which are trendy. So I am sure if you check those out, you can easily get some nice pieces at 500 and 600. I have seen there are some pieces which are at 500, 600, maybe below them, some denim pieces that too. So they are really nice and they have a really different texture and pattern to it. So definitely check those two out and you will be surprised by the texture and the material of their clothing. The next app that I have for you guys is Stock by Love. Again, this is not a very cheap app or a website. So it's not as cheap as Shein, but I think the clothing material is much better than that of Shein, because on Shein, I am sure all of you girls who buy your clothes from Shein, you will find 1 or 2 materials from Shein which will have like a sheer kind of a structure, which is very exhausting to find something to wear underneath it. But in case of Stock by Love, it won't happen. Most probably it might happen, but most probably it won't. Stock by Love also has some really trendy pieces with beautiful colors, with beautiful patterns, so definitely check that one out as well. So the next shopping alternative that I have for you guys is Max Fashion. Now it is built in India, it's from India, and I think Max Fashion has some really amazing fashion. If you want to build your wardrobe full of staples or essentials, you can get it there. If you want something trendy, you can get it there. Also they have shoes and accessories, earrings, whatnot, from kids to like people of all ages. And I think if you look at their store and if you just try to invest some more time there, you can also come up with some great quality pieces. They have pieces of great quality, but to find something trendy there would be really difficult because they are not really into neon or something like that. And if you find something trendy there, it's going to be costlier, but again the quality is going to be so much more better, so it's worth all the money that you are going to give. Also, Max Fashion always have sales and they give out coupons, so I think those are really going to come handy. And some people might think that the clothes from there are boring. I used to think that too, but with Shein gone, I'm doing my research and I found out that they have some nice accessories. They have some nice pieces like in dresses and tops. And if you are into casual dressing, then I think you will love Max Fashion. You should check out that one as well. Last two apps that I have for you guys are Zara and Forever 21. Also, these are not on the cheaper side. They are not as cheap as Shein, but if you are looking for basics and staples, you can invest here because your money is going to be worth it, because they are going to serve you for such a long period of time. So even if you are going to invest your money in that, and even if a simple white shirt costs you 1000 rupees, it's really going to serve you for such a long period of time, and they are durable even after washing it so many times. So I think investing in Zara and Forever 21, some of the pieces, it's not a bad idea. Again, they have so many sales and they're always giving out coupons, so those can really come handy to you. Zara and Forever 21 are no shocker. They have some trendy pieces, they have great pieces. The only downfall of that is that it's not really that affordable or that cheap, but if you are lucky enough with the help of coupons and sometimes through sales, you can easily get, like, some kind of offers on those. And there are so many Indian YouTubers out there who do hauls on Zara and Forever 21, so watch their videos. They always have a coupon code. Try to use that and it will be of great benefit to you. That's all for this video, guys. I really hope that you guys enjoyed it or found some useful information from it. There are also some other apps and websites like Flipkart, Amazon, Myntra. There are so many apps, but I think that these were the apps which some people or most of the people didn't knew about. And also their style of clothing is similar to that of Shein, so I really thought that these apps are really going to help you. And I'm also still doing my research. I still have some other apps like Mango and H&M, and I want to see more about them because I don't really think they are as cheap as Shein. So I really hope that you guys found this helpful, and if you did, then please give this video a like and subscribe to my channel, and also comment down below that where you guys are thinking of shopping from, what is your Shein alternative. And I post 2 times a week on Mondays and Fridays, so this is not Friday, this is not Monday, but I really wanted to make a video on this, so I just made a video on this. And you guys can follow me on my Instagram if you want to. You don't have to, but you can. Also, if you guys enjoy online shopping like me, because this video I think was mostly about online apps and all of those things, I have 2 entire videos on how you can shop online, how to be a pro in shopping online, so I will leave it in the description box down below and also somewhere up here so that you guys can check it out and it might be beneficial too. So that's all, and I hope to see you guys next time. Bye bye.